Colby, is it your birthday? Is it?
Colby.
Alex getting Colby's cake ready. Colby's obviously ready for it. He's very excited. Is it still frozen out?
Oh. What's that, Colby?
Oh, Colby's cake. No, don't get it yet. I didn't get a picture of it. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Here, Al, take the video camera. Colby, it's your birthday. Sing. Is it good?
He didn't know the icing.
It's just like me. He's taking his time. He's making sure he gets every little part of it.
Is it still frozen?
No,
No?
no. No, he likes the icing first, apparently. Alan's getting the video and I'm getting the picture. It's sad. I need them. It's cheesecake.
Hi.
Is it good? Why is everyone watching me? I don't get it. You're getting there.
When's he gonna pick it up and leave it?
I don't know, maybe he's not going to.
Carrot cake? Is this what this is?
Yeah, it's carrot cake. Because we could have got him carrot cake or, I think it was chocolate cake. Mmm, yum yum.
Just turn that sucker up on end.
Is it good? Let's try it.
He said, throw it in the air and see if I can catch it. Here you go, he said,
He's not, well, he's kind of hitting it off the ground to get pieces off.